Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now in front of me on the table, I've got Rugged Ridge's Universal Door Hanger Kit fitting your 76 to brand new 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Now this Rugged Ridge Door Hanger Kit will allow you to mount 2 doors on each bracket and give them a nice secure location to mount them up and out of the way. These are made out of durable steel and then powder coated in a nice satin black finish. They include all 4 brackets here, your support brace, as well as this center brace. Now what this is going to do is allow you to mount the doors basically in the upright position like this and flat against your garage wall or basically any wall of your choosing. It's going to support 2 doors, so if you have a 4-door, definitely grab 2 of these and you'll be able to hold all 4 of them. Now I personally love door hangers because it gets your doors off the ground and nice and up and out of the way. For many years, I was laying them on the ground and I actually had an incident where I pulled them off and ended up dropping a door on the ground and denting the front of it. So you really don't want to do that, or you don't want people bumping into them. This is a great option for you. Now if you want to check these out, as well as many other accessories from Rugged Ridge, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com. Till next time guys, I hope you check these out for the summer season, getting your garage all ready to take your doors off your Jeep, and I'll see you out on the trails.